Summaries here, and this is a CERIAL hands-free wearable fan. Having never heard about what a wearable fan is, I have just received this one in the mail, and this is the unboxing, review, and my first impressions. So on the back of the box you can see the information on what it's inside the box and more information about these fans. On the left hand side is what I presume Chinese, on the right hand side is the English. The box is quite simple and this is pretty much all you get with it. Without further ado, let's open it up and see what's inside. So as you can see, underneath the plastic casing that houses the fan, we have a golden ticket, a USB cable, and of course a manual and the fan itself. Let's have a quick look at the manual. So this is in English but again I presume Chinese. This is the Chinese side and it's only a 2-page. Flipping it to the other side, we have the English, where we have the product description on the left hand side, tells you all about the tech specs, and we have on the right hand side pretty much all how to operate it and all the features that it does. So not only is this just a portable fan, but it also has LEDs and you can have aromatherapy with it. This is the micro USB cable that comes with it. I am now going to test it out. It's a pretty standard USB cable. Not much to talk about this. This is a charging port and that is the charging LED. And yes, it does work. A bit short for me, so I will not be using the one included in the box, but it's just another cable to have. This is not a condom, even though it looks like it. It looks like a golden condom. However, what's inside here is the two pads that are scented, so you can put in the fans themselves. Now this is surprising to me. I wasn't expecting for it to be scented, even though it did say it was aromatherapy in the description. I did not think that it actually was. So this is the actual fan itself, and it is heavy. Not too heavy, but you can feel it's got some sturdiness to it and quality. It's quite flexible, as you can see. It does not extend or retract, unfortunately, but the quality is still there. The fan is quite good. It has a cage to protect against you accidentally hitting it. However, you still have to, if you have long hair, you still have to tie your hair back. On the left hand side here is of course the charging port. It's a micro USB. On the top of that there's two buttons, and it's the only two buttons this has. The top button is the on and off switch and the bottom button is the light switch. So this fan has a 3-speed. So you have the low speed and the medium and high speed, and you have two light modes, as you can see by me demonstrating. You have the no light, static light, or an LED changing light. This is what it sounds like on the minimum. This is what it sounds like on medium. And this is what it sounds like on high. Even on high, this is actually not a very loud fan. It's quiet, and it doesn't really do too much noise on any sort of setting. However, the difference between the cooling and obviously the power of the fan is very highly noticeable. And this is with it working both with the lights and the fan on the low setting. If I press it again, it changes to these static lights, which I think 3 LEDs that are on, and this is what it looks like up close. Again, that guard is very good. You wouldn't get any fingers in there by accident for sure. However, anything else thinner than that, as long as it goes through the guard, of course it can. The guard also feels quite sturdy, so I don't see this breaking easily. To add the scented pads, all you have to do is twist this cap in the middle of the fan counterclockwise. You grab one of these pads and you can either put it in there directly or just attach it to the cap itself and then just put it back in and twist it. Unfortunately, it only comes with 2. And I don't know where to get more of these, but I presume any other sort of kind of cotton scented pads, as long as they're large enough to fit in there, would work just well enough. Well, this is pretty much it for this review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a good summer. Links will be in the description if you want to purchase this. I do quite enjoy it. I've still yet to try it fully, as I've only got it for about a week. However, if you do want one, if you want a wearable fan so you can have your hands free but still keep cool, have some nice scent coming towards your way, and even a light show, definitely get the CERIAL hands-free wearable fan. I'll leave you now with a short montage. Thank you for watching though.